球場中央係本年度考獲金紫荊獎章嘅幼童軍，佢哋將會進行幼童軍傳呼。傳呼係幼童軍向阿基文，即係團長致敬嘅儀式。
In the middle of the stadium, the Cub Scouts receiving the Golden Bahia Award this year will be doing the Grand Howl. This is a special way of saying hello to Aquila and a way of reminding them of their Cub Scout promise every time they do it.
現在有請馬道立先生移步到傳呼圈，接受幼童軍傳呼及頒發金紫荊獎章。請迷禮新總監及葉永成主席陪同。
The Golden Bahia Award recipient will give the Grand Howl to the Honorable Jeffrey John, who will also present the certificate of the Golden Bahia Award. Accompanying him are Dr. Wilson Lai and Mr. David Yin.
金紫荊獎章係幼童軍之部嘅最高獎勵，以表揚幼童軍喺戶外挑戰、歷險挑戰、領導才能以及分享各方面嘅成就，一般需要最少2年先可以完成。
The Golden Bahia Award is the highest award for Cub Scouts in recognizing their achievements in outdoor challenge, adventure challenge, helping to lead, and service and sharing. This award often takes them at least 2 years to attain. 本年度共有907名幼童軍考獲金紫荊獎章，分別係港島地域210人、九龍地域243人、東九龍地域134人。